If you have a house in Sunbury, Ohio that you're looking to sell, but you want to sell to a direct buyer with no realtor or real estate agent involved, meaning no commissions, no fees, or anything like that, this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Payerchin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses all over Sunbury and all over Central Ohio. And the reason so many sellers in Sunbury like working with us is we're a direct buyer. So there is no commissions for you to pay. There's no one, kind of in the way. You're the seller, we're the buyer, we're going to get this thing done. Now, I know there's a lot of sellers out there, they think, do I need a real estate agent to maybe help with the paperwork? People are wondering, it's like, how am I going to get through all this paperwork? Here's the thing. When you're working with a professional buyer that's been around for as many years as us, we have hundreds of reviews and testimonials, this is the most simple way to do it. It's actually way more simple to sell to a reputable direct buyer than it is to list and market and sell with a real estate agent. Now, before I explain the difference of the two, let me just say I'm not against real estate agents. They do a great job, but it's for a specific type of seller. They fill a very important need in the marketplace, but it's for the sellers. Maybe their house is already in tip-top shape and beautiful, and the seller has all the time in the world to sell. This way, that real estate agent that they hire can do open houses and all these different walkthroughs and people trekking through the house. That's great. That's for some sellers. We work with sellers who just want to sell directly, but they don't want to do any work to the house. They don't want a whole bunch of people trekking through the house. They would rather work with a direct buyer who's going to buy the house in its as-is condition. And that's exactly what we do. So when it comes to the paperwork, now with us, there is a one-page agreement that we do. And it very much just is easy. It spells out the basics here. You're the seller, we're the buyer, here's the address, here's the purchase price, here's the closing date, and here's the biggie right here. It's bold print. We're buying the house in its as-is condition. That's it. It is literally a one-page agreement here written in 14-point font, so you can see exactly what it is. There's no fine print at all. It's very simple, and it just explains exactly what I just shared with you, those 5 core bullet points. When it comes to listing with a real estate agent, there's a lot of paperwork involved. You're filling out paperwork about lead-based paint. You're filling out paperwork about mold. You're filling out, it's a lot. It's a lot. So when it comes to, can I do this? Can I sell to a direct buyer? Am I going to get confused by the paperwork? No. There's one piece of paper when you sell to us, and there's probably over 20 or 30 when you look at all the different, things that you need to sign when you're listing it with a real estate agent. So if you want to keep it simple, and here's the biggie, you want to sell in its as-is condition, we're going to be a good fit for you. The reason we're able to buy houses in their as-is condition is we're a cash buyer. So there's no financing contingency. That's the biggie, right? When you're working with a traditional buyer, oftentimes there is going to be, language in there where if they can't get approved for their loan, or if the house doesn't appraise, or if their thorough inspection comes back and it's got items for you to remedy and things like that, it could kill your deal. With us, there's none of that. There are no thorough inspections. There are no appraisals whatsoever, and there's no financing contingencies because there's no financing. There's no bank, right? So it really is the more simple way to go. And like I mentioned, we have hundreds and hundreds of reviews, testimonials of people that we've worked with. For many people, this is the best way to go. So if you have a house in Sunbury and you want to hit the easy button, you want to sell to a direct buyer, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And by the way, when we get on the phone, it's a very easy conversation. So there's no pressure, there's no games. We're not a call center. We're not located in some foreign distant land. We're here in Central Ohio. It's going to be me on the phone with you. So just like I'm talking to the camera right now, I'm going to be talking to you. There's no games or gimmicks. I just need to know more information about the house and know more information on your timeline on when you're looking to close, so we can accommodate your needs. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the house. If the offer works for you, great, we'll move forward. If the offer doesn't work for you, we'll shake hands and part as friends. There's no bad taste in your mouth, pressure, nothing of that sort. So if you have a house in Sunbury that you're looking to sell and you want to hit the easy button, you want to get this thing done with a direct buyer, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Payerchin. I sincerely look forward forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.